a club that gives students the opportunity to conduct hands-on experiments and build their science knowledge. Self-expression and constructive activities, etc. are some of the opportunity provided by Science Club. It channelizes the energy of students to their skills and talents and help in their overall personality development.
Good morning, everyone. So, we, the students of Science Club, are here to present a small glimpse of activity and hope that you will all do it and enjoy. So, here comes the first activity.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anhad. I study in 4th. My house is Lotus. Today I am going to present a very interesting experiment. Experiment number 1, Jal Tarang. The science of music. It is the oldest music in the world. Today I am going to explain the science behind the Jal Tarang. Here you can see different level of water in each glass. Now I will play Jal Tarang. Striking the glasses causes air to vibrate. Shorter the air column above the water, faster the air to vibrate and producing higher pitch. Don't you think it's amazing? Wait, don't go. My second activity is waiting for you. In this activity, we will see when vinegar and baking soda is mixed, so they produce a gas called CO2, means carbon dioxide. So here I will put baking soda in this balloon. Now I will fix the balloon on vinegar bottle. Now I will put. See? Please see. The balloon is starting moving. See? Thank you.
Today I will show you a science magic experiment, fire on water. Can you believe? Let's see. For this experiment we need a water bottle, a glass, a matchbox and nail paint. Let's start. First of all we take a glass and pour some water in it. And then also put some drops of nail paint in it. And then light it up. See, fire on water. Do you know how did this happen? This is happen because nail paint contain inflammable material. So the fire is emitted when it is on the surface of water, so it catches fire. Thank you.
Hello friends, so today I am Manmeet from class 6C, roll number 19. I am here to present one science magic / science experiment. So let's go. Okay, so the ingredients which we need are about half of the glass colored water, one candle and one empty glass. You can also take matchbox with using this. So first what I will do, I will put the candle in the center of my plate and I will light my candle like this. Now I will put this colored water in my plate. Yes. So after this I will take this empty glass and I put over this candle. After this you can see all the water, not all means you can say 50% of water goes inside the glass. See, our water level is this and inside the glass water level is some upside due to the water level of plate. This is because when we put the glass over the burning candle, what will happen? Candle cause less of oxygen and then it will take the oxygen from the water, so that our water goes inside the glass and this caused due to the oxygen present in the water. See. Thank you.
Today I'm going to show you very interesting experiment about capillary action of plants. Capillary action is seen when water is transferred from roots to upward direction through xylem tissues of a plant. So let's start. Take 2 glasses filled with water and take an empty glass. Now add some color . Now take a paper towel, put an end in one glass, now another end in empty glass. Same to here, put an end in filled glass. Now put an end in empty glass. Now wait for 2 hours and see an amazing result. Wow! Please see, the water is transferred from both the glasses in this empty glass. Means the paper towel is acting like a xylem tissue. So we can call this experiment in simple words that walking water. Thank you.
Magic with science. We all have converted water into ice, water into steam, we have condensed water. But have we ever converted water into solid gel? So this we will do today with only 2 components. Here I have the secret component and here is water. So firstly I am adding my secret component to empty glass. So like here you can see I have added my secret component here. So now I am adding some water. Let us add a small quantity of water first. And let's check what happens. Yeah, so let us add our water. And let's see if it is able to make a solid like gel. So yes, this is water and now we can mix it. So like you can see here, it has formed the gel. Let's show you. See the difference between the water and the secret company. It has changed it into something gel-like structure. See. So like I have shown you all how it has converted the water into solid like gel. Let's try to add more water to it and see if it can contain more capacity. So let it mix. Firstly, let me tell you what is this secret component. So this secret component is sodium polyacrylate. Its property is its weight multiplies by 500 gram when we add water to it. So like see, I have added more water and now this water is also converted into gel. So that's it.
Everyone, today I, Krishna Gauri of class 8th A, is here to show you an science experiment. The name of the experiment is Pepper Magic. Materials required: pepper, a bowl full of water, and dish soap. Start. Take some pepper and pour into the water. Take some dishwash. See how amazing it is. Pepper doesn't dissolve or mix into water since water molecules are strongly attracted to each other or have a high surface tension. It keeps the pepper afloat. Adding soap breaks down the surface tension, and as the water molecules spread out away from the soap, they bring the pepper with them. Thank you.